How to delete multiple apps at once on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Settings. On Settings, click on top right corner of your screen on the search. Then search for Storage. Click on Storage, which is the first option. And in here you will find Free Up Space at the top. Click on Free Up Space. After that, you will find your files pop up. Click on Apps, which is below Audio. Then select the apps by holding on to it. Then select multiple apps you want to delete. Then press on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You will find these options. Click on Uninstall, which is the last option, and then your apps will be deleted. This is how to delete multiple apps at once on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.